Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Manasa channel. Today I'll give some tips on how to enter this field as a fresher and how to what are the steps for getting recruited easily. First and foremost thing is when you are doing your graduation or post graduation, prepare a resume for yourself as a fresher and post it in job portals like Naukri, Monster, Freshers World, etc. So and so many websites are there. Here you can see all the topmost job portal sites, 10 in number, best sites for 2021, Indeed, etc. So what you do is you prepare a resume, post it in job portals in the third year itself. Okay, you'll keep on checking your emails. Okay, once you complete your fourth year, you will get lot of emails like data entry, then coding related or your graduation related, freshers jobs. So likewise, when I was applying, I'm a B Farm graduate. I applied in third year itself on all the portal sites which I have known that time as a fresher. Okay, from in by the completion of my exams in final year, I opened my emails and checked lot of writing jobs, data entry jobs, then content writing, and then medical coding jobs. Everything have come. So I by that time no one was there to guide me. It was email through which I came to know this coding. So I company itself recruited me when I went for interview by seeing that email. Recruited I got interviewed. Then company itself gave medical coding training and placed on job live coding job. There will be 6 months training if you are recruited directly to the company, or you can go with consultancy, which is economically is go with company. So I request all the freshers to prepare your resume and update on all job portals. Okay, first is resume writing, then second is what you how to prepare for interview. First and foremost thing is tell me about yourself. There are a lot of videos on YouTube where you can find tell me about yourself. Okay, briefly describe about you. Second question is why did you choose this field? Okay, you should tell that your passion is in medical field, and the reason which I gave was like I was a fresher, I was a B Farm graduate. I thought I can search another job while entering this field. Then my interviewer she said no, this is also a professional career like all other careers. You have to give your 100% concentration on this. Then immediately my answer was yes, I'll be into this, because I was not interested in doing pharmacy. I was not interested in going to any chemical companies and work. So for ladies especially, this coding field is a white collar job. Okay, likewise some companies directly recruit freshers through these job portals. Okay, some now you can go and join Facebook groups. You have many medical coding jobs groups, like medical coding jobs in India, medical coding jobs in the world, global medical coders, UAE medical coders. You have many groups. If you do not have a Facebook email ID, I think most of you will have. If you do not have, please create it and join all those groups, for because directly recruiters are placing the opportunities in Facebook groups and interviewing the candidates or recruiting them. Then another one is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is another platform where recruiters directly post the jobs and and interview people, and they recruit people. When by this time in India, due to Geo internet, lot of people are using internet. So I request all of you to be on all social platforms if you are going to search for a job or get placed in this field. Third one is, if you are a fresher, this is the only thing. They'll just ask basic questions like what is medical coding and what do you know about it. That you can find the definition in Google, or what you understand, you tell in your own words, in simple words to the interviewer. You'll be getting recruited. Second thing, for experienced people, if you are going to another company for interview, from one company to another, what will be the question is, why do you want to change the company? Don't tell that for hike or salary improvement. Don't tell. If you're not satisfied with the salary improvement or salary of the past company, the new company will think what you will be satisfied in our company. So never ever tell that my salary is not satisfying me. You should tell that for better exposure, to work in a big environment, to adapt to the changes, to demonstrate my skill, knowledge, and to work to enhance my skills. This should be your answer. Third is, once you got recruited in a new company, stay there for minimum of 2 years. Do not change the company. Okay, though money is a huge requirement, you need to stay because you should have some ethics. Okay, you should learn it. Okay, you should learn different specialty coding in the company what you work, or you are recruited. Okay, that should be your motto. If you are entering a new job, yes, you should learn something new. That should be your motto. Third one is, this consistency will help for you to get recruited to another new company. Maximum one can stay in a company for 3 years, not more than that. For professional growth, for career growth, for your betterment, personal development growth, you need to change the company for every 3 years. This is out of my experience, I am telling you. I hope this video helped a lot of people. If you have any doubts, please write to me in my comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.